Delivery has arrived from 20%.co.za, courtesy of Jack Mabaso. I'll unbox it for you to see what's inside. Let's do this together. Let's see what's on the inside of this box here. I don't want to leave you behind. Let's put this aside and try to open here. Okay, as you can see, this is 20%. Quality you can trust, prices you love, service that never stops. Let's see what's on the inside actually. We're in this together, guys. 20% is the deal. Stop this thing of buying a phone and paying on contract for 3 years, 36 months or 24 months. No, that's a rip-off. Here's the orange box, 20%.co.za, where you buy. Check Mabaso, real deal. The charger behind. Okay, inside the package, there's also some earbuds, earphones. There's a cable for charging. There's also a car charger. Excellent. Thank you, Jack. Let's see what's inside the box. Drum roll. Hey, this box. Okay. You'll see what's inside the box. 20%. I'll show you what's in here. This is iPhone 13. Here is it outside the case. As good as new. As good as new. Excellent condition. Now let's turn it on to see if there's some juice inside. Hey guys, I'm used to Android. I'm turning on the wrong side. Oh, it does turn on.